Hello Year 4 and welcome to our home PE lesson. What I need you to do now is find a space, maybe look at Mr. Cavanagh's in his living room. We need to clear it, make sure it's nice and safe and make sure that you can't trip over anything. So I want you to pause the video and make sure the area you are working in, if it's your bedroom, your hallway, your garden, kitchen, living room, is nice and safe. So off you go. Well done. Now you are back, we are going to focus on some hand-eye coordination, and you should be at home with one of your parents or your guardians or your brothers and sisters, so at some stage you will need a partner for today's lesson. Now, all we are going to start with is we will need some equipment. So I'm fortunate enough, I've got a tennis ball, but don't worry, if you haven't, you can use a teddy bear, a teddy, some socks, as you can see, or maybe a piece of paper. So today, all I want you to do to start with is a nice warm-up. So in your area, I want to see you going sideways to start with. For a little warm-up, sideways, shuffling about your area. Off you go. Keep going. Well done. Can we see you jogging on the spot now? Moving your arms, getting your legs up. Excellent work, Year 4, keep going. Brilliant, and then can we get our heels up? So we're now keep trying to kick our bottoms, keep moving them arms. Keep showing your parents how to warm up. Well done, excellent work. This time, can we go hopping? So balancing on one leg and we're hopping around. Off you go. Side to side, forwards and backwards, different directions. Excellent work. Well done. This time, okay, I want to see some jumping frogs. So down we go and then up in the air. So I want to see a big spring. Off you go. Excellent work. Keep going. Springing around that room. It's really important during lockdown that we are active. Excellent work. Right, now we're going to move on. So to start with, there's different ways that we can catch the ball in Year 4. We can make a nest with our hands, so we're super gluing our hands together, okay? Or we can flip them over and catch and bring to our chest. So to start with, I'm going to use my teddy bear as a little warm-up for our activity. I want to see your two hands, catch, up, bring to your chest. Up, catch, bring to your chest. Make sure your nest is there. Watch your little piece of equipment with your eyes. So off you go, Year 4, please. Pause the video and have a good practice. Right, well done Year 4, you should be back now. I hope you spent a few minutes practicing because it's really important. Now the next part, we're going to go with one hand. So I'm going to use my socks this time. We're going to go up with one hand, catch with two. Up with one hand, catch with two. To challenge yourself, now you might start walking around the room doing it. So you've got to watch where you're going at the same time, but you're also watching your piece of equipment. So that's your challenge now, to be moving around, one hand up, two hands catch. Off you go. Pause the video, please. Excellent work. Now, piece of paper, it's really, is it heavy or is it light? I'm not sure. You may need to answer that question for yourselves. Now, when we throw the piece of paper up, will it float or will it drop to the floor really quickly? So, one hand up, and I want you to catch with your other hand. Off you go again, up, catch, up, catch. So take your time, I want you to pause the video and have a go. Well done. Now, can you play a little bit of keepy up with your hands? So I want you to see the socks. Can we move around the room, keeping our socks up? Keeping our socks up. If they fall on the floor, oops, does it matter? No. Have another go and keep carrying on. Maybe challenge yourself, see how many you can get. Mr. Kavanagh may have got 15. So what target will I try and aim for next time? Will I try and get 10? No, I don't think so. Maybe 16, 20? Yes. So off you go and have a practice. Well done. Right, this is where you will need a partner now. So, all I would like to see is a chest pass position. So we're going to flip our hands around, elbows are in, okay, I'm going to push the ball out towards our partner, and then we're going to try and catch it and bring it into our chest. So it's going to go out, in, into our chest. Okay, so have a practice. This is linking it in, I suppose, to basketball, netball, different sports now. So with your partner, push the ball out, you're going to catch it and bring it back in. Off you go. Well done. Now this time, we're going to try and do an underarm throw, and our friend's going to catch it, our partner, our sisters, brothers, parents, we're going to catch it in our hands and we're going to bring it into our chest. So a nice throw out, catch, into our chest. Let's see if you and your partner at home can maybe catch it 10 times each. Off we go. Excellent work. Now a challenge could be you can use different size objects. So you may want to try and get a pillow and try and catch. You might try and find something small as a challenge, like we've been using, maybe a little tennis ball, something heavier, something lighter, but we need to make sure that we're in a safe area when we are doing this. So pause the video and think, what can we use now to play catch? Off we go. Right, well done year 4. Now maybe we can link some time in. So once you have joined in your little activity, you've practiced, I would like to see you try now, how many catches can you do in 1 minute with 2 hands? Then you might want to do, how many catches can I do in 15 seconds with 1 hand? Then you might want to say, how many times can I catch it in the air clapping in 30 seconds? So there's different stuff that we can be doing. I want you to be as creative as you can and practice at home. What I would love to see is as many pictures and videos of yourself and your family joining in, and I'll be able to check them on Dojo and give you some feedback. So well done on today's lesson, year 4, and I'll see you all soon.